as you're coming down, I'll leave it up for a while. This is a diagram of what hospital will look like when it goes into
May bawal na rin picture picture.
Bawal na doon sa loob?
Bawal daw po rito.
Bawal mag-post.
Dito po gusto ang entrance.
No
No
posting.
posting at the tom entrance please. Ah, wala. Wala magpo-post. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Pasok tayo.
Okay. So this area is the preparation area ng body. They prepare the body here, and then they put the body there, and this is the waiting area. Okay.
Diyan ilagay
So dito, yan dito. So according sa
Tinakpan
mga
na
archaeologists.
bato.
Yes. Okay. So